this to all Love Places and Idol Master staff and cast. Happy first Nagyuchan Festival. Um, the first Nagyuchan Festival from August 1 to August 5th, 2024 to celebrate the first the first anniversary of Nagyuchan. To all Love Life fans, we celebrate together this occasion to my original comment in YouTube. Hello Pei-chan. Hi Nagi-chan. This is the new leader of the new virtual 3 members international college school idol cup. Akihino Yamamoto and you had Wanabete with Shinichi Origami and Yuki Scarlet Setsuna is saying to you happy Nagi-chan day and happy first anniversary of Nagi-chan. Thank you and multi birds.